I'm Liam Rogalski. I'm a controls engineer at Pearson Packaging Systems. Controls engineers at Pearson have a cool opportunity to get to do a whole range of jobs. So I'll be creating the electrical prints for machines. I'll be writing the code that controls them, creating the HMIs or screens that users can interface with for the machines, and then going down and testing the machines. I'm a controls engineer, but the degree that I got from Eastern is an electrical engineering degree. Any opportunity that I had, I was taking classes that would let me write code. There are a lot of opportunities here at Pearson to grow. I work with a lot of engineers that get to program robots and entire systems where they're using the same robots that go into like car assembly lines to package boxes, to open them, seal them. And that's something that's at the forefront of my interest. As a controls engineer, you have so many opportunities to do different styles of work that it never feels like you're doing the same thing over and over and over again. Being a controls engineer is the perfect opportunity for someone that likes to build things and think logically, problem solve, and try to build something from the ground up. Love my job. I get to do what I like to do, and at the end of the day, I get to see my work come alive.
Brought to you by Pearson Packaging Systems.